Okay guys, the method we want to do now, we only have a photo from this angle. We need to be able to make it symmetrical. The first thing I do is mark the center of my design. Exactly the same size as these parts, this part of the hat. We mark here exactly the same size and start removing volume from the sides.
We do the same length with the tail. Then based on this, we start curving the edges of our design.
Flight model Ava's Latour.
Okay guys, we've gotten this far. I tried this side and now my hand added some details, but on this side we need to start shaping a bit and do the eye placement and all the things we did on this side. Then we'll move on to cleaning and inking the lines. I'll tell you later exactly what I mean by the lines. But in the end, we definitely want to give the hat detail like its textured look. That dark part in the middle of the eye, we want to bring out the lens of the eye. We want to add some lines to the tail to give it a tail-like appearance. Mostly because in the design, we bring it onto the image. Let's see its picture again in the design. It has some lines, but I'll keep this one bigger because I feel it will look cool. Let's go. Let me also say that from the beginning I've been working with just this one drill bit. I haven't changed any drill bit. I want to tell you about this change. It's that having this outward angle is very useful in these types of styles. Look.
Without leaving a specific edge or removing extra from somewhere else. Exactly the part where you can do a bit of volume removal leaves a trace.
And let me mark their place with a pencil. So I don't make a mistake, it happens entirely by eye. Aligning the eye lines parallel like this, and I hope it's correct. Then when we finish the work, we realize how much was right, how much was wrong. Now for example with this, you know how much symmetry it has achieved.
Our work is good. Come on, let's go.
Okay guys, we have almost finished the work. I just want to add some color to the darker parts now, like the lens of the eye and every other square of the hat's pattern. I want to touch these up a bit with color. After it dries, we'll apply the final coat and the work will be done. I drew the lens with a pencil and hope it's symmetrical. Let's see how it turns out. It seems okay in terms of symmetry. Now, if I don't mess it up, I think it looks bigger. Well, let me remind you about these tulips. If you haven't liked it yet, please like it, subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos.
Well, this is our final result. Now I say let's apply the oil.
I don't have the patience to focus on one task for too long. Working on something has no end. The more you work on it, the better the design turns out. If you put more effort into it, it becomes more professional. For example, I could now drill a hole under this work for the stand, pass a copper wire through it, a board. Take a wooden stand and dry it, place this on it, and it will stay suspended in the air on that wire, but right now it's like it's not very stable on the ground. Since I want to prepare more videos for you, I don't want to spend more time on this. I want to move on to the next hack, so let's apply the oil together now.
I'm very satisfied with the outcome.